Welcome friends to Imagination Islands, where we create, inspire and repeat your ultimate DIY arts and crafts destination.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness.
Today I am going to show you a new style Mother's Day special DIY for you all.
Take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game.
Stick 5 barbecue sticks on each side of the paper using glue, leaving the other 2 sides empty.
How much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed.
I stuck sticks on both sides because it adds a bit of weight to the paper, making it easier to draw on. Then, I have created a one-line sketch of a beautiful moment between a mother and baby on top of that paper.
The sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
Now, I carefully stuck the black wool along the lines of that sketch using glue. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.
How much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew. Be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game.
After completing this task, I covered the remaining 2 sides of the paper with barbecue sticks.
How much I miss.
Now, I have carefully kneaded a smooth dough using Fevicryl molded clay's hard and soft parts, and then I rolled it out by hand to create a wire shape.
The sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
Now, I wrote the word "Mom" on a smooth surface and lightly dusted it with talcum powder.
I wish I knew.
Then, on top of that, I repeated the same process with the clay wire and wrote "Mom" again.
We're all screwed. Screw.
Now, I've placed it aside to dry for 1 to 2 hours.
I wish I knew.
Then, I carefully painted the border of those sticks black to give it a nice look, and I also painted the word Mom on top. Again, I let it dry for another 1 to 2 hours to ensure it's completely dry.
I wish I knew.
Then, I attached the clay Mom writing to the frame and painted it with golden dust acrylic color to give the art piece a distinct, elegant look. How do you like it? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Feel free to let us know if you liked it or if there are any mistakes. We appreciate your feedback.